Burya kwiyungura ubumenyi ni bimwe mu bifasha buri mukandida wese uri kwitegura ikizami. Twagiye n'ikibazo cya mbere. What is the meaning of international trade? A. Trade between countries. B. Trade within a country. C. Trade between individuals. D. Trade between companies. Igisubizo ni A. Trade between countries. Question number 2. What are the differences between international trade and domestic trade? A. International trade involves goods, while domestic trade involves services. B. International trade involves trade barriers, while domestic trade does not. C. International trade involves trade between countries, while domestic trade involves trade within a country. D. International trade involves physical goods, while domestic trade involves virtual goods. Here, the best answer is international trade involves trade between countries, while domestic trade involves trade within a country. Guys, nkwibutsa ko ibi ni ibibazo bya sample biba byaragiye bibazwa. It is not real exam. Be prepared. Ibi ni ibibazo biba byaragiye bigaragazwa nka sample ariko bishobora kugufasha kwitegura.